Hello, amazing viewers, welcome to the Beauty Show YouTube channel. If this is your first visit, make sure to click that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to keep up with our latest uploads. Today, we're shining a light on Kristina Romanova, a Ukrainian plus-size model, digital creator, and body positivity advocate. Originally from Kryvyi Rih, she has built a strong social media presence by sharing fashion inspiration, beauty content, and personal experiences that encourage self-confidence and self-acceptance. She currently lives in Warsaw while maintaining close connections to her roots in Ukraine. Romanova first gained attention through her authentic approach to content creation. Rather than presenting highly edited or unrealistic portrayals of beauty, she focuses on showcasing everyday life, personal growth, and the realities of being a curvy woman navigating the fashion and beauty industries. Her openness has helped her connect with a wide audience that appreciates her honesty and relatable personality. Fashion is at the center of Aleksandr's content. She regularly shares outfit ideas, styling tips, and "Get Ready With Me" videos designed to help women feel confident in their clothing choices. Her fashion philosophy emphasizes working with natural body proportions instead of hiding them. She frequently recommends high-waisted skirts, shorts, and trousers to define the waist, while also favoring structured fabrics that provide comfort and shape. Blazers, fitted tops, corsets, and V-necklines are recurring elements in her wardrobe, often paired with wider leg bottoms to create balanced silhouettes. One of the most distinctive aspects of her style is her use of thrifted and second-hand clothing. Romanova often demonstrates how affordable pieces can be transformed into fashionable outfits, proving that style does not depend on expensive purchases. She combines budget-friendly finds with contemporary fashion trends, offering practical inspiration to followers who want to dress stylishly without overspending. In addition to fashion, Aleksandra creates beauty and makeup content that showcases both simple everyday looks and more polished transformations. Her audience frequently praises her recognizable appearance, expressive eyes, and confident on-camera presence. Beyond beauty tutorials, she also discusses self-care, mental well-being, and the importance of maintaining a positive relationship with one's body. Romanova has been open about her personal fitness journey, sharing her experiences with regular gym training and her goal of achieving a healthier lifestyle. Rather than focusing solely on appearance, she promotes fitness as a tool for improving overall well-being and confidence. Through her growing presence on TikTok and other social platforms, Aleksandra Romanova has become a recognizable figure in the body positivity and plus-size fashion community. Her content continues to inspire followers by showing that confidence, self-expression, and personal style are not defined by size, but by authenticity and self-acceptance.